Now we are going to see question number 2. The equation of a wave traveling on a string stretched along the x-axis is given by this relation. Write the dimension of capital A, small a and capital T. Find the wave speed, in which direction the wave is traveling. And the D part of the question is, where is the maximum of the pulse located at t equal to capital T and at t equal to 2t. So this is the equation of the traveling wave is given on the string. So in the A part of the question, they are asking the dimension of capital A, small a and capital T. So as we know that dimension of exponential is 0. Therefore, dimension of left hand side, that is dimension of y, will be same as the dimension of A. And y is displacement here, displacement of the particle. And we know that displacement we measure in length. So this will be L. Or we can also write this in this form, m0 L1 T0. Now the second part, they are asking the dimension of small a and capital T. Since power of exponential term, power of exponential is dimensionless. So from this concept we can say that x by a will be dimensionless. The ratio x by a will be dimensionless, and it is possible only when dimension of x will be same as the dimension of a. And again, what is x here? X is the distance of the particle from the free end. So again, this is the distance. So distance again we measure in length. So we will write L, or we can also write this m0 L1 T0. And similarly, to calculate the dimension of capital T, again this ratio will be dimensionless. That is, small t by capital T will be again dimensionless. So this will be dimensionless, means dimension of t will be same as the dimension of capital T. Since small t is time, therefore capital T will also have the dimension of time. So we can write in this form, capital T, or we can write this in this form, m0 L0 t to the power 1. Question. Now in the B part of the question, they are asking the wave speed. Now for finding wave speed, we have two different methods. So first see the method by method 1. And what is method 1? Wave speed is equal to modulus of coefficient of time divided by modulus of coefficient of x. And in the given sum, what is the coefficient of t? Coefficient of t is 1 by t. So we will place here 1 by capital T. And what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 1 by a. 1 by a. So this will become a by capital T. So the given wave is traveling with a by t meter per second. And by method 2, first we will express the given wave equation in this form. Y is a function of t plus minus x by v. So we will first convert this in this form. So a e to the power minus, we will take capital T common here. So this will become, and write t first here. So t plus t x by capital A, as we will take t common. Or we can also write this a e to the power minus 1 by t plus x by a by capital T. Now compare this equation with this equation. So v is the wave speed. So from we can say that v is a by t. So by both the method we are getting the same answer, that is the speed of the given wave is a by t. In the C part, they are asking in which direction the wave is traveling. Either the wave will travel along positive x direction or will travel along negative x direction. Again we will solve part C of the question by two different methods. So by method 1, if sign of coefficient of x and t are same, it means that the wave is traveling along minus x direction. And if sign of coefficient of x and t are different, means and t are different, then the wave is traveling along positive x direction. Since in the given question both the coefficient are positive, coefficient of x is positive as well as coefficient of small t is positive, so the given wave is traveling along minus x direction. And now see by the method 2. By method 2, if the given wave is expressed in this form, y as a function of t plus minus x by v, if plus is coming, then wave is traveling along negative x direction, and if minus is coming, it means that wave is traveling along positive x direction. So when we express y in this form earlier, so plus sign is coming. So plus sign is coming, it means that the given wave is traveling along negative x direction. Now see the D part of the question. In the D part, they are asking where is the maximum of pulse located at t equal to capital T. So the D part they are asking when y become a at t equal to capital T, find the location of the wave. So simply substitute this value in the given equation of the wave. So y become a and a e to the power minus x by a plus small t will become capital T. So capital T by capital T whole square. Now a part cancel out. So 1 equal to e to the power minus x by a plus 1 whole square. Now we have to simply simplify this relation. Take ln both sides. So ln 1 equal to ln e to the power minus x by a plus 1 whole square. The value of ln 1 is 0. So 0 equal to, now by the concept of logarithm, this power will come before ln. So minus x by a plus 1 whole square ln e. The value of ln e is 1. So, and since it is 0, so it means that this term will be 0. X by a plus 1 whole square equal to 0. So from here x plus a plus 1 equal to 0 or x equal to minus. In the second part they are asking at y equal to a and t equal to 2t, find the location of the given wave. Now simply substitute the value of y equal to a in the given equation of the wave, and in place of small t substitute 2t by t whole square. Now simply simplify this relation and find x. So again a will cancel out. So 1 equal to e to the power minus x by a, t cancel out. So this will become 2 whole square. Now again take ln both sides. So ln of 1 equal to ln e to the power minus x by a plus 2 whole square. The value of ln 1 is 0. So minus x by a plus 2 whole square ln e. The value of ln e is 1. It means that this quantity must be 0. So from here we are getting x by a plus 2 whole square should be 0. And when we will simplify this, from here x will come out minus 2a. See here x equal to minus a and here x equal to minus 2a. What minus indicates here? Since wave is traveling along negative x direction, so x coordinate of the given wave will be